So, hi Shrabas, welcome to our channel, which is Be Your Own Celebrity. So, you are now a hair celebrity. You have gone through the treatment, you have gone through the protocols, the knowledge, whatever is required for hair treatment.
Yeah.
Okay, and you have also gone through hair transplant.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
so I think you are the best candidate. Why? You have taken medical treatment also, you have taken the growth factor treatments also, like PRP and GFC, and you have taken hair transplant also, and we are in the 6th month. Like your result has almost been there, but it's not a complete result. Yeah. Okay, the complete result will take more 3 to 4 months. The density will get double, and this is a time when your look has just improved. Okay, and I hope you're facing the improvement in the days. Okay, so can you tell first something about how much the difference is there and how much it is giving you confidence or something?
Yeah. When I had haven't taken the transplant, then my self confidence was kind of very low. Uh, confidence was बहुत ज़्यादा improve हो गया है मेरी और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. हाँ.
So, what basically you think people should do once they feel that the hairline is receding?
So, uh, as per my perspective, I don't have any knowledge. So I went to multiple clinics and all that thing. I have gone through homeopathic and I didn't got the result which I wanted.
होम्योपैथी में क्या ट्राई किया आपने?
They have given some medicines and something
अच्छा,
like that.
the pill,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
white pill.
yeah.
Okay.
So and they said that it will definitely going to work. It will going to work after like a year or something. So I have
फिर 1 साल तक गोली खाओ.
yes, well,
Okay, हाँ. Anything to apply also?
no, nothing.
Things to apply. Okay.
Then I was just scrolling the Insta and then I got to it got a ad of a Ashley on it.
Okay.
So I searched about that and one of my friend suggested they to visit over here. So I called and then consulted you and
तो वो जो मीन कि अगर आपको हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट शुरू हो रहा है, you consult. Okay. So what about the online? Did they try those online platforms where they ask multiple questions?
kind of you are talking about trial or something like that.
I mean, anyone.
I no, I haven't gone through that. I don't have leave over that online things. Because they are just saying ad. I don't know what is the reality over there. That is
Because you are not going in meet
yeah.
in person.
To
Okay.
and to be true, I can say that I contacted one of that platforms. I have filled all the questions,
Okay.
and then I got the call from that I guess a doctor. So whatever the person was, I explained all the things details, and then they
Took that online consultation.
yeah, I took the consultation and then they gave me all that multiple stuff. So that is why I
Hmm. So even if the consultation was there, there was a bit of confusion.
yeah.
Okay. Hmm. So the first take home is like meet a dermatologist. Yeah. Okay. The second thing is ki, okay, now you have met a dermatologist, you have got a consultation. So what would you say to patients who are suffering hair fall that how do they start their journey? Like how do they start their treatment?
Mostly I can say that without a doubt, if you are suffering from a hair loss, then you have to consult a dermatologist as per your a research, and then you have to explain your doctor what exactly is happening, and you have to see what she or he is explaining,
Okay.
and if you are comfortable, then we can proceed
So
on.
what should they start? Like we doctor will say multiple things. You can do lotion, there ways, you go for PRP, GFC. Doctor will say you to go for hair transplant. So what you have learned?
So I have prior to consulting,
This is the test.
yeah, prior to consulting this Ash clinic, I have visited multiple places. So I was a bit confused when I am going to different places. And when I got here, then I got some kind of a connect or some kind of relaxation that yeah, everything is going to be sorted.
So basically, what was the thing that you understood? Like how you have to.
You have explained everything clearly. Like this is the thing, this is the thing. like this much time it will take, and then we will go through PRP and all that thing after.
Which grade allocation?
Plus 3.
3, third grade. Yeah. So, what made you decide go for hair transplant? Like, didn't you think you should first try medicines and PRP? Like that?
No, I didn't thought of
So, what was that decision factor? Why?
that for the like
Oh, so why didn't choose for medicines, and why you went for hair transplant?
because the thing was that firstly I went to homeopathy medicines. Then like I was scrolling back in the days, I was scrolling through YouTube, and I got to know that minoxidil, you have to apply minoxidil, everything will go. So yeah, so I have used that also, but it didn't work.
So you have already.
Yes, yeah,
Okay.
didn't work that way.
Okay.
So then I consulted the doctor.
I think the reason is because you had hairline hair. So, if the hair recession is there, the roots are not there. Already it's bald, so maybe the minoxidil won't work there. It works very good on the middle at the calf portion. So this much is clear, I think, that hairline needs hair transplant.
Yes, sorry.
Okay. So what is one thing that you will say as a message to people who are suffering from hair loss? Like how much time it takes, how much efforts it takes. Like people are so confused. There's so many platforms. So if you need to guide them properly, not from what I have told, but from what you have done. So what will be that?
So I can say that firstly, as per my perspective, I will say that don't go for that blind like ads that they are showing for multiple platform like trial.
Quick questions like oil works for hair growth.
No,
Shampoo works for hair growth. Finasteride tablet, what you will say?
no.
Doesn't work. Tablet?
Like if like I have gone through like hair transplant and then I am taking all the medications, then finasteride is one of them. So it will work.
So the thing is, if finasteride will not bring back the hairline, but it will at least stop it. Yeah, it will stop the progression.
Yes.
So that is there.
Yes.
And what about these rosemary oils?
I don't think so.
They don't work. Okay. And post transplant, so how do you feel the journeys? Like, did you have to take medicine or not?
Yeah, definitely.
Why?
Because like let's suppose that the patches, the follicles which is inserted in my hair, so it is like a baby plant. So we have to like nourish it, right? So medication is working like that only, and the minoxidil and everything is working like that. So that is why we have.
So it is more like a maintenance. And also for your own hair, where we didn't do any transplant, they are getting better.
Yes, right.
Yes.
Because I can say that vitamins and everything is for our benefit only. So if we are taking it, then there's no.
So of course, helping your health also. Yes.
So at last, I would like to say that I have gone through hair transplant, and I would like to say that don't follow the celebrity and be your own celebrity.